In the following video, we will discuss 4 effective methods for how to restore Samsung backup to new phone. These avenues include utilizing Mobican Backup Manager for Android, Samsung Cloud, Smart Switch, and Google One. Let's start with the details now. Way 1. Restore Samsung backup to new phone via Android Backup and Restore. For a trusted Samsung backup and restore tool, go for Mobican Backup Manager for Android. Termed Android Backup and Restore. This program lets you securely backup your phone to a computer and restore it to any Android device. Step 1. Initiate the software. After downloading and installing the software, open it. Connect your smartphone to the computer using either USB or Wi-Fi. If necessary, follow the on-screen instructions to enable USB debugging for detection. Step 2. Select the backup option on the main interface. Choose the backup option. You'll see various types of data displayed. Next, select the specific content you want to back up and specify an output folder to save the backup. Step 3. Backup old Samsung to computer. Start the data copy by clicking the Backup button. Wait briefly, and you'll receive a notification when the data backup is successfully finished. Step 4. Restore Samsung backup to new Samsung. Connect your new Samsung or other Android phone to the computer. Finally, click the Restore button on the interface and carefully follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restoration. Way 2. Backup Samsung phone and restore to new phone via Samsung Cloud. Swipe up from the center to access apps. Open Settings, go to Accounts or Samsung Cloud. Choose Backup and Restore. Select Backup Data. Pick Data to Backup. Tap Backup now. How to restore Samsung backup to the new phone using Samsung Cloud. Open Samsung Cloud. Select Restore Data. Pick the backup. Choose Data to Restore. Tap Restore or Restore now. Way 3. Restore Samsung backup to new phone using Smart Switch. Backup. Download and install Samsung Smart Switch for PC. Open the app on your device. Connect to your computer. Tap Allow and click Backup on PC. Select data categories. Click OK to confirm. Restore. Download and install Smart Switch on your PC and smartphone. Connect your device to the PC via USB and click Restore. Select Add Backup Data. Locate the Samsung Smart Switch Backup folder. Choose Data Categories and click Restore again. Way 4 is Samsung Backup and Restore to new phone with Google One. Backup. In Settings, tap Accounts and Backup. Google Drive, Backup Data, turn on. Backup now. Your Galaxy phone will auto backup on Wi-Fi, idle, and charging for 2 hours. Restore. Follow on-screen instructions until copy apps and data. Tap Next. Select Can't use other device. Sign in with your Google account. Choose the latest backup. Select Files to restore or tap All apps, then tap Restore.